Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to transfer money from your Cash App to your bank account step by step, super easy. First, open your Cash App on your phone. Once you're in, make sure your bank account or debit card is already linked to your Cash App. Here you see two accounts are attached in Cash App. Now I easily transfer money from bank to Cash App or Cash App to bank. Now go back to the main screen. Now look at the bottom of screen, you will see a $sign icon. Now tap the $sign icon in the center. This takes you to your balance screen. Now you'll see a button that says Cash Out, tap on that. Enter the amount of money you want to send from Cash App to your bank. After that, tap Cash Out again. Once you pick the speed, confirm it with your Touch ID or PIN, and that's it, the money will be on its way to your bank account. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.